Hey guys, my name's Gabby, and I chose to play Crue Ball, metal pinball online. And Crue Ball is a digital pinball game endorsed by the heavy metal band Motley Crue for the Sega Genesis. Developed by New FX and published by Electronic Arts in 1992. It was originally designed by the veteran pinball artist Mark Springer, with music by pinball composer Brian Schmidt. Here we go. So basically, this game is centered around rock and roll, and the game, visually speaking, is really fun and retro looking. And the reason why I picked this game is because I really enjoy playing pinball ever since a little girl on the computer. So I kind of wanted to go back and rebring pinball. So the game is nominally based on the exploits of Crue mascot Alistair, Fiend, who attempts to play loud music all night to abruptly disrupt by Craig. Basically, your main goal in each stage is to smash down the wall that separates from the volume knob, and then crank it up to advance the next level, conquer all 9 levels, and we will defeat Craig and discover the truth behind his anti-metal crusade. And as we can see, kind of have to get a couple tries at this because my computer goes back and forth. Yeah, basically you're just trying to gain points and get to the next level. And I really like that it incorporates rock and roll music, and let's see. And then if we hit him over there, we get some extra points. But yeah, this pinball game is really different from others because of the concept, I think, and it really gets down to a fun, innovative design for the game. Let's see if I can get him up there. Little skulls. Let's see. Oh, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Oh. Almost there. But yeah, another fun fact is, during this era, there was a whole bunch of grunge rock movement. So the band itself really progressed, I feel like, with this game, possibly. Hitting back and forth. Oh, I didn't get him. There we go. Back up. Oh, let's see if I can hit the worm. Get some extra points. Oh, almost. Almost there. Well, anyways, I just wanted to say thank you for taking your time and to watch my video today. Thank you.